Sup everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're talking about a new TGE for the Irys token. Now there's been some other tokens named Irys before, IRIS. There was one called Irys Chain I just did a short on recently, but this is a different one with the name IRYS. That is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Formerly known as Bundler Network. Maybe you've heard of that before, and that is spelled BUNDLR Network. And yeah, it's a layer 1 blockchain built as the first programmable data chain. So there is a TGE coming out here for the new Irys token. So we're going to talk about the info so far that we have on that. All the info in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is Irys. Every time I say Irys, just know that it is spelled IRYS. So it is irys.xyz is their webpage. They also have an X. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over here. At Irys_XYZ, it says the data chain that unlocks the value of data, has a link to their webpage there. They even have an X community with 5,500 members. Their Twitter here has 280,500 followers. Gold verified checkmark, 3,130 posts. So you can see it's a huge project here. You can find the testnet at, this is their testnet explorer, testnet-explorer.irys.xyz. So that has some details there. On their webpage too, if you scroll all the way down, you're going to find ecosystem information, home, faucet, explorer, privacy. They have a Discord group you could join, and their Twitter. So features, build, and social links at the top of the page. So it says here, the info on Irys. Now, Irys, formerly known as Bundler Network, is a layer 1 blockchain built as the first programmable data chain. It unifies high-performance storage, data availability, and an EVM-compatible programmable data chain. It unifies high-performance storage, data availability, and an EVM-compatible execution layer, which is Irys VM, to make data programmable, meaning data can execute code, trigger actions, and interact seamlessly across on-chain systems. Now, this enables applications in AI. Examples would be verifiable compute and verifiable compute for models, intellectual property management, real-world assets, and consumer apps like gaming and social platforms to store, share, and monetize data at a fraction of Web 2, Web 3 costs. Key features include permanent low-cost storage on Arweave with bundling for efficiency, verifiable compute for trustless execution, AI coordination for on-chain intelligence, consensus hybrid proof of work, so UPOW plus staking, where mining aligns with useful data contributions, mineable post-launch, and they have raised $18.9 million in funding rounds from investors like Framework Ventures and Lemmiscap. The project emphasizes composability and scalability, positioning itself as the AWS of on-chain data for a data-driven Web3 future. Now, regarding the token generation event, the TGE, It says the TGE for Irys token has not yet occurred as of November 10th. Mainnet loading progress stands at 69% with an expected launch around late November 2025, potentially November 30th or early December. Tokenomics were officially revealed in early November 2025, signaling final preparations. No snapshot airdrops have been confirmed, but community engagement via testnet is key for eligibility. So post-TGE, Irys token will power network operations with initial liquidity provisioning for exchanges. Specific listings will be to be determined. Now, the Irys token has a fixed total supply of 10 billion tokens. Approximately 23%, 2.3 billion tokens, will circulate at token generation event to ensure balanced liquidity without heavy inflation. This allocation prioritizes long-term ecosystem growth over immediate unlocks, with vesting schedules for team, influencers, details not fully public but implied as multi-year cliffs. So 30% of the tokens will go to fund developer grants, storage node incentives, cross-chain indexing, and community programs to drive adoption. 25.3% are allocated to backers from prior funding rounds subject to vesting. We have 18.8% going to rewards core contributors locked for vesting to align incentives. 9.9% of the tokens will support protocol development, governance, and treasury operations. 8% will go to community rewards for early testnet users, contributors, and ongoing programs. And 8% will go to initial DEX and central exchange liquidity pools and market making to ensure smooth trading post-token generation event. Now, for utility, the Irys token is used for transaction fees, staking for security, storage payments, and governance. As a mineable token, it rewards useful POW contributions like data bundling, no inflationary emissions planned, focus on deflationary mechanics via burns on data operations. So since the TGE is imminent and not live, tokens aren't tradable yet. Focus on positioning for the 8% airdrop allocation through testnet participation if you're interested. No direct purchase options exist pre-launch. So for the testnet engagement, the primary path for airdrop eligibility, you can visit the Irys portal at irys.xyz, connect the wallet like a Phantom or Rabby wallet, supports Arweave and Solana, claim daily faucet tokens, play games in the Irys arcade to earn extra testnet tokens through wins and challenges, tracks on-chain activity, complete galaxy quests, and you can participate in Questland. There's also NFT minting for bonus points, so you can mint the Irys Run NFTs. You can evolve Bitomo NFTs. And and after the TGE occurs, you'll be able to get it on exchanges. But you'll have to wait, follow the Twitter for more posts. So maybe real late November or early December, they'll talk. The TGE will be up there, but we'll have to wait and see. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about the Irys token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.